Learn how to tie this simple and unique head wrap by yourself. I'm going to explain from beginning to the end, so watch and learn. This is 4-layer ashoke. So I started by folding it into 2, then into 4. So see, I'm going to fold it again. That is the first one. Fold it again the second time. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pleat the center. I'll pleat it, then use rubber band to replace my hand. Are you watching me from Canada, from UK, from US, from Africa, from Thailand? Let me know your location at the comment section so that I can send you all in my next video. So once I'm done with the pleat, I'm done replacing my hand with this rubber band, I'm going to place it on my head. I will place it. It depends on where you want the design to be. If you want it to be at the center, you put it at the center and start to wrap. Okay, so I'll wrap here, take it to the back, bring it again to the side and arrange it. So watch and learn. Always practice after watching so that you can be able to tie it by yourself. Okay, so when I bring this to the front, I'm going to arrange the side. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to make any knots, but see how I'm going to pass it. See this rubber band that I use that is at the center here? I'm going to pass it through that rubber band. See what I'm doing? I'll pass it through the rubber band, then once I'm done with that, I'm going to wrap it, then tuck it in at the side there. See what I'm doing here? See? I'm going to tuck it in there. So after tucking it in, I'm going to arrange it. Please let me use a little of your time. Please, I want you to follow this page for more head wrap tutorials, because I will make sure I will teach you how to tie gele by yourself. And please also share this video to your friends, your family, your loved ones. Thank you very much for doing that. Also leave a comment after watching and like this video. Thank you very much for doing that. So once I'm done here, this bow, I'm going to make it to be like this. Then the next thing, I'll twist it. I'll twist one side, take it to the middle, so that that rubber band I used there is going to cover it. Then I'll use pin to secure that place. Okay, so once I'm done with one side, I'm going to repeat the next thing in the other side too. It's just to twist it to one side. You can see it's very easy. You can tie this in less than 5 minutes. You can do this by yourself. That is the aim of this page, is to teach you how to tie head wrap by yourself. So I'm done with that side. Then I'm going to twist this other side again. I'll twist it, then use pin to secure that place. So you can see it is very easy, very simple to achieve. Okay, I hope you can try this by yourself. I hope you can tie it by yourself. Let me know it at the comment section. Okay, so this is the end product of it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for sharing this video for me. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all that you are doing. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So enjoy yourself with this. See you.